The stage is set for Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha, the RSS highest decision-making body, as it convenes at Jan Seva Vidya Kendra near Bengaluru from March 21st to 23rd. But this isn't just another annual review. This year's gathering holds historic significance as the RSS prepares to celebrate 100 years on Vijayadashmi later in 2025.
राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ अखिल भारतीय प्रतिनिधि सभा ABPS meeting this year is to be held from 21st to 23rd March in Chennanhalli campus, Janaseva Vidya Kendra. So it's an annual baitak. Every year it happens. It is to be held in Bangalore after 4 years. So this year it is a centenary year. So in October, Vijayadashmi 2025, RSS is completing its 100 years.
Calling it the most crucial event of the year, RSS Prachar Pramukh Sunil Ambekar emphasized that Sarkaryavaha Dattatreya Hosabale will present a detailed report on Sangh's work, including Shakha activities, special programs and outreach efforts. The discussion will focus on strengthening the RSS reach and encouraging greater public participation. As the centenary year unfolds, meeting will witness the passing of two key resolutions, addressing concerns over atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh and the path forward, and reflecting on Sangh's 100-year journey and shaping its vision for the future.
So there will be two resolutions, one about Bangladesh, the happenings in the Bangladesh, and the next what we should do. And another resolution will be about the 100 years journey of RSS and our next steps.
Training remains at the forefront, with 95 Prashikshan Varg scheduled between April and June. 72 for Swayam Sevaks, under 40 and 23 for senior participants. Plans for a nationwide pravas by Sarsangh Chalak Mohan Bhagwat will also be outlined. Ambekar reaffirmed the RSS' unwavering commitment to Hindu pride and security, especially in regions facing persecution. He also condemned recent violence in Nagpur, stressing that any form of violence is detrimental to society. Nonetheless, the meeting will bring together top RSS leaders including Sarsangh Chalak Mohan Bhagwat, Dattatreya Hosabale, 6 Sahakaryavahas and 1500 Karyakartas, alongside representatives from 32 affiliated organizations. With pressing discussions on NRC, CAA, population policy, and national security, the RSS aims to build a strong consensus on national issues, tackling demographic challenges while reinforcing Hindu unity.